Today we're making mashed potatoes. I've already washed, peeled, and cut into smaller pieces 5 pounds of potatoes, and I covered it with water and have it on boil. It'll boil for 20 minutes till the potatoes are soft. After they're soft and we strain them, then we will put a stick and a half of margarine in, 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of parsley. See how nice it's boiling? You want it to do that for 20 minutes. Just boil just like that. Okay, the potatoes have been boiling for 20 minutes. So they're good and done. So we're going to strain them and then put them in the mixer. Okay, now we have them in the mixer. We're just going to put them on low and mix them just a little bit. Get them started. Okay, now we're going to add our butter first. That is 12 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter if you want, but I use margarine. We're going to mix that in there. So it's creamed in there. Then we're going to slowly add the milk in. And this is 1 cup of milk. And we're going to add the parsley and the salt, a teaspoon of each. Teaspoon of parsley, teaspoon of salt. Just keep mixing it. Then we're going to add our eggs. 3 eggs. I'm going to turn up the speed a little bit. We're going to have them in the mixer about 5 minutes. The mashed potatoes have been mixing for about 5 minutes. Look how nice and thick and creamy they are. And that is how you make creamy mashed potatoes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you make the recipe. Easy mashed potatoes.